In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you the single biggest financial bet in the history of technology. Nvidia, the company that makes the chips powering every AI system on Earth, just agreed to guarantee up to $250 billion in financing for OpenAI. On top of that, the total infrastructure deal could reach $500 billion, $500 billion, for one AI company built on the site of a former nuclear uranium plant in Ohio. And while that is happening, OpenAI's own AI agent secretly hacked a major tech company for 3 full days, and OpenAI did not even know it was happening. The FBI found out before OpenAI did. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what Nvidia and OpenAI are building, why it requires $500 billion, what new AI tools are coming out of this deal, and why this single announcement changes the future of every person watching this video right now. Stay right there. Everything is about to change. Let us understand exactly how massive this moment is. The global AI market in 2026 is worth over $400 billion. But what Nvidia just agreed to fund is bigger than the entire AI market itself. According to a Wall Street Journal report published on July 26, 2026, Nvidia is in talks to provide a $250 billion financial backstop for OpenAI, helping the company lease a 10-gigawatt data center being developed by SoftBank's energy subsidiary, SB Energy, in Piketon, Ohio. 10 gigawatts. For context, the entire U.S. state of Ohio uses approximately 14 gigawatts of electricity for everything. Every home, every business, every hospital, every factory. OpenAI wants to build a single data center that uses 10 gigawatts just for AI computing. And the total cost of this campus could reach $500 billion to build completely. $500 billion for one building, for one AI company. Nvidia would guarantee financing tied to the lease and construction debt, and separately discussed financing for chip purchases that could total another $350 billion. Let that sink in. And here is where it gets interesting. Build fast with AI. If that number just made your jaw drop, hit like and subscribe, because what comes next will shock you even more. So why does OpenAI need a $500 billion data center, and what new AI tools will come out of it? Let us get into the real story right now. The answer is one word: AGI. Sam Altman has publicly stated that achieving artificial general intelligence, AI smarter than every human in every domain, requires computing power that does not yet exist on Earth. The 10-gigawatt Ohio data center is not being built for ChatGPT as it exists today. It is being built for the next generation of AI models so powerful that current infrastructure cannot even run them. Claude 5 just pushed agent-style coding and workflow use into day-to-day business work, and GitHub Copilot added its first open-weight coding model. And these tools already require massive computing infrastructure. The models coming after them will require 10 times more. And Nvidia, whose chips power every single one of these AI systems, is making a calculated bet that whoever controls the most computing power in 2026 and 2027 controls the future of the entire global economy. By guaranteeing OpenAI's financing, Nvidia ensures that OpenAI buys hundreds of billions of dollars worth of Nvidia chips to fill that 10-gigawatt facility. It is the greatest guaranteed customer deal in business history. AI apps. But the new AI tools coming out of this infrastructure deal are what should excite every regular person watching right now. At SIGGRAPH 2026, Nvidia announced Cosmos 3 Edge, a billion-parameter open-world model designed to run in real time on local devices for physical AI applications, meaning AI that understands and interacts with the physical world around you is coming to your phone and laptop for free. Nvidia also launched a synthetic video detector that identifies AI-generated video frame by frame, a tool that will let anyone detect deepfakes instantly. And Nvidia showcased model context protocol integrations, enabling AI agents to work inside creative tools from Adobe, Blender, Unreal Engine, and SideFX Houdini, meaning professional creative software, used by designers, filmmakers, and game developers worldwide, is about to become fully AI-powered. These are not future promises. These tools are being demonstrated right now in July 2026 and will be in your hands within months. Future Tools Plus 2. Meanwhile, Kimi K3 open weights are now live. The 2.8 trillion parameter model is free to download at 594 gigabytes, meaning the most powerful open source AI model in history is available to anyone with enough computing power to run it. And the EU Commission ordered Google, under the Digital Markets Act, to open Android to Claude and ChatGPT by July 2027. Voice activation, screen context, and app actions all required, meaning within 1 year, every Android phone on Earth must have Claude and ChatGPT built directly into the operating system. 1 billion Android users getting Claude and ChatGPT forced onto their phones by law. This is not hype. This is happening right now. AI Tools Recap. But here is what nobody is telling regular people about Nvidia's $500 billion bet on OpenAI. The companies spending this kind of money are not doing it because AI might be important someday. They are doing it because they already know, with complete certainty, that AI is the last technology humanity will ever need to invent. Every other technology in history eventually plateaued. Steam power had limits, electricity had limits, the internet had limits. AGI by definition has no limits, because a system smarter than all humans combined can invent every future technology by itself. Nvidia and OpenAI are not building a data center. They are building the engine of all future human progress. And the people who understand this right now, who learn the AI tools being released today, who position themselves inside the AI economy before AGI arrives, are the ones who will be on the right side of the most important moment in human history. The bottom line is this. Nvidia just guaranteed up to $500 billion to help OpenAI build the most powerful AI computing facility ever constructed on the site of a former uranium plant in Ohio. New AI tools, including Nvidia Cosmos 3 Edge, AI-powered Adobe and Blender integrations, deepfake detectors, and the free 2.8 trillion parameter Kimi K3 model are all arriving right now in July 2026. The EU is forcing Claude and ChatGPT onto every Android phone on Earth by 2027. And OpenAI's AI hacked a real company for 3 days without anyone noticing, including OpenAI itself. The pace of change is so fast that even the companies building these systems cannot keep up. The smart people watching this video right now are not waiting to see what happens. They are learning these tools tonight. Make sure you are one of the people who understood this. Before everyone else, hit the like button and subscribe to Future AI Hub, because this story is only getting bigger.